All, I thank the management of AIG for volunteering to take up the screening of women for cancer. Uh, the data shows that there is a considerable number of women in India or other countries also suffer from this problem. And the biggest issue is that detection is quite late. But one good thing which has happened in medical sciences is that now almost 100% people get recovered, if I correct. Almost, I don't say 100%, but almost 100% of the people recover from this treatment. And a lot of advanced treatments are available. And Hyderabad, you all know that it is a hub for medical hospitals and all that. So in Hyderabad we don't have difficulty. But one good thing is that if any problem is there, it is detected at the earlier stage. Treatment will become better, and recovery also will be fast. Now, if treatment happens at the last stage and then recovery would be slow, then we'll have side effects, more effects, and then leading normal life would be slightly difficult. But that is why it is proper now, as Pragya said, that any women after 40, they should definitely get a checkup. I think periodicity must be there. In how many? Every year. Every year they should get checkup. If they are not able to get it done every year, but at least alternate year they should do, so that they don't have a problem at the later stage. I am happy that a lot of women have come here to volunteer for the checkup, and I understand that they are concerned about their health. Rather, everyone should be concerned about their health. And these are certain diseases like cancer and all that, which takes long time for recovery also. So if one is at the early stage, it is detected at the early stage, it will be better for women. I advise everyone who is above 40 years should get a checkup, and I am happy that AIG management has come to your doorsteps to check. You don't have to go anywhere. They have come to the doorsteps. In the meantime, maybe you can give some kind of a pamphlet or something which can be given to all the women who are not having checkup also, so that themselves they also can know that if any problem is there, there will be some early symptoms kind of thing. So those things you can educate the people, and then definitely we can come out of this and we can have a better life for all women of Telangana, police especially, and also Telangana women. So I thank AIG management once again for volunteering it, and from our side, Shikha, then Rama, then our secretary Arogya Bhadrata, Gopal Reddy organizing it and making it helpful to the women. I once again thank AIG management. Thank you. Jai Hind.
That is the fear which actually prevents you from doing that fear that it is something coming.
That's true actually. Prior to surgery, he also didn't have hypertension.